Today I'm going to show you how to replace the key battery in a 2022 Toyota Corolla. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife and a new battery. First step is going to be is turn the key fob over right here. If you look, there's a little slot right here. We're going to use the flathead screwdriver in that slot and we're going to pry this cover off. Okay, when you get that cover off, inside the key fob, you have this little rubber seal. We're just going to pull this off. Okay, and if you look, here's the battery. And if you note that it's going to be a CR2032, I'll leave a link down in the description box if you need a new battery. This makes it easy if you want to purchase one. But you're going to need your flathead screwdriver, and there's a little slot right here in the corner. It's going to go ahead and just pry this guy right out, and then get your new battery and replace it. Just take note that the positive is facing up, and get your new one. Just stick it in here. It's the kind of you kind of have to like slot it in it a little bit. There's like a little slot it goes into, and just put the seal back and get your cover and just snap it right back on, and you're all done.